Wow, what's going on over here?
I am getting ready to make our anniversary dinner.
Happy anniversary!
Woo!
Yeah.
Well, it's
We had a
actually
fun anniversary.
We did.
Yeah.
So right now, I am going to put some roast potatoes for the grill. I've got some Yardbird seasoning,
Yeah, you do.
olive oil, shallots, and garlic,
Hey, look at this.
salt, pepper, and we'll just do it up in the grill.
And that's butter on there?
No, it's olive oil. You can add your own butter later.
Okay.
And then I'm going to make this pile, which is mint leaves and cilantro leaves, into a little sauce to put on top of
Our lamb chops.
the lamb chops
Wow,
that you
look
will
at that.
grill. See, it's
So I lit the grill. Okay.
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 And then last, I will go ahead and saute some broccoli.
Wow. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that's dinner. Except for...
Something special.
Oh, let's check. In the freezer. In the refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
There is a bottle. A bottle of champagne. Look at that.
It's just
We are going to
everyday
have a party
champagne.
tonight.
It's not particularly expensive champagne, but hey,
Hey,
we
it's champagne.
are camping at
so,
Antelope Point.
so nothing should be nice when you camp, is that it?
No, this is about as nice as it gets.
Okay,
when
when you're camping.
you're on the road.
Okay,
So I just got that one bottle.
okay. So, what kind of day did you have on your anniversary?
Oh man, we planned a good one.
Yeah.
We
Did you think it was a good one, Toby?
Well, he wasn't so thrilled about the first half of the day because we couldn't.
I'm not sure he was thrilled about the second half either.
All right. So the first half of the day, we went to Upper Antelope Canyon to take our Navajo guided tour through the canyon, and it's like a really kind of interesting experience because you're there with a lot of other people, and we chose a particular tour guide, touring company. It was Adventurous Antelope Canyons, and I think they did a really good job. I mean, you got to get on the vans and you got to drive down the bumpy road until you get to the canyon entrance.
The canyon is in a wash that's fed by 5 other canyons. So when they have their monsoons, the water comes down that wash, and those canyons are cut strictly by flash floods. And it's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, they are really remarkable and beautiful. This was all about stopping to take pictures of everybody at every conceivable picture spot, and the guide really was a good photographer. She really pointed out all of these fantastical named structures, like, oh, here's the bear, here's the eagle, here's the heart, here's this Arizona sunset.
Yeah.
And she took people's pictures because she just knew where to stand, and she had all kinds of tips.
Yep.
So I think everybody enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It was fun. What else did we do?
Okay, so after our little midday break, we decided that we'd have to do the other signature must-do thing here in Page, which is to go to the Horseshoe Bend overlook.
Yep.
So this is run by the city, so you pay a separate fee. It's not much, but they got plenty of parking, and you join the international throng walking
Yes.
out. It's not a long thing. Maybe it's out and back a mile and a half.
Yeah.
But then there's this railway, which you overlook the canyon and you can see the horseshoe, and it's just perfect. It's just this really pretty blue and green with all of the red rock around it.
I can actually put the picture right here while you're talking. Mm-hmm. Just not now. I'll do that later. Wait till the movie comes out. So.
And then we just kind of walked around a little bit and
took some other pictures and
just enjoyed being out there with everyone.
It was really beautiful.
It was really beautiful.
And when you talk about the throng that we followed, we did that at both the lower and upper Antelope Canyons as well. Wherever you go, there's a throng here, and it's very international. Some of it's pretty comical too.
Well, we're pretty comical.
Well, I know. I think we're normal people.
No, what's normal?
I think I'm normal.
No.
You maybe you're not normal.
I don't think you're normal.
Okay.
So.
Well, all right. So then, maybe they were just being normal, and I didn't know how to interpret it. Mm-hmm. Could be.
Yeah, it's always in the perception of, the viewer.
Okay. Should I start things now?
Go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to go do the barbecuing. Okay, this is called tailgating. This is where you put your barbecue when you don't have a picnic table. So, there's the lamb, and there's the potatoes. So what's happening over there?
Oh, I am going ahead and sauteing the broccoli. I've got some garlic and shallot. And I put a little bit of sugar on there because that's what my mother and grandmother taught me. And then I added some water to kind of steam it.
Oh, okay. Looks really good.
Yeah, so it's a simple thing. Salt, pepper. Yeah, it's basically steamed broccoli.
It's going to be a good dinner.
I hope so.
Don't you think?
It'll be really elegant RV dinner.
There you go. Hi. Where'd you come from?
He says he wants to be part of all of this.
Well.
Right, taste it. So what do you think of the choice of vegetables and starch and...
Well. I think this is really good. I think it all turned out really super.
Thank you. I saved that last package of lamb for tonight. But I wanted to do potatoes and some greens.
This cooked really well. Okie doke, Toby's in charge. If he wants to be in, he can be in. It 2 o'clock in the morning when he wants to go out, he'll go out.
Yeah, well.
Oh, shoot. So did we settle the discussion of which was better, the upper or lower canyon?
I don't think so. I think it's just totally subjective.
Yeah, it is. But,
They're both wonderful.
Yes, the lower canyon's longer and narrower. And it's very twisted, much like the upper canyon. But the upper canyon has some big rooms in it. And the guide that we had was able to point out all the different characters on the walls, of the rock formation. So that was pretty good.
Yeah, I think you would really enjoy both canyons.
Yeah,
one or the other.
Just realize that you're going to be with a lot of people.
And you have to buy tickets.
And yeah, that's right. Somebody asked how long in advance. And I guess we bought ours like 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago.
Maybe
How-
you could do
how
it
do you-
sooner.
Yeah, I mean,
but-
I don't know. I guess you'd have to just get online and check to see when the next reservation is available here, but it doesn't seem
Well,
like it should be that
We're
much.
basically here towards the end of April, so it's spring. It's not high season yet, so. But the other great thing we did today was Horseshoe Bend,
Yeah.
and that's another really popular attraction.
I think, you know, the dog that
Yeah.
you put in the cabin because he wanted to do that a little while ago? I think
Yeah.
he wants to come out now. He realizes we're all out here. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go back inside, finish my champagne.
This is a
Talk about the RV park.
This is a beautiful RV park.
What is it?
There aren't a lot of trees. It's the Antelope Point Marina and RV Park. So the marina is just down the street from where we are, and right behind us is a bunch of boat storage and things like that. And these are big boats. These are big tour boats and houseboats and things. So, and then right out the back here, we've just got some spectacular scenery. I wish I could show you this better, but let's see here.